Hello everyone. So this we have done so far. We have used the grid search and optimized, or we have looked at the optimum values. These are not really optimum values. We can do further optimization, but let's use this for the demonstration purpose. And so now once we do this, once we fit that, we can actually look at the feature importance. A couple of things. First of all, we don't need to do this re-import, the import library thing. It is just to re-import the module because I found out that this is something we wrote previously. So it is bedroom per room, the combination attribute. So it was 3 4, so I changed the ratio. So bedrooms per a total number of bedrooms per total rooms, and so that I had to re-import it. And so now it has done. So we can actually look at, for example, the fit dot best estimator and feature importances. So here for the best estimator, what I think 30 and 8, I believe. So here what you see here, this is that we have our df dot columns. If you look at all these columns, so we are up to medium income, which is -1, -2, -3, and so we need, so this is in that order. So longitude, latitude, housing income. So we have the combined attribute 2, so we can remove this and we need to put the two things. First one is coming from the rooms per house. We can also include the population per household. I haven't put it. So rooms per household and the total number of bedrooms per room, and then the ocean proximity, which we can get from the classes, from the encoding, the one hard encoding we did for the labels or the categorical attributes. So so let me say things in maybe in some kind of variable. So we can say maybe this is the importance. So I have that one, which is an array, and we can also take this, right? So we take that one. So we need the label, the categorical attributes, and we also need a list, right? We need the list of bedrooms. So the rooms per rooms per household, right? And bedrooms per rooms, something like that, two of them. So, and we can add that to so we can take df dot columns, right? And up to -2, so -3, so we don't need the last two. And then at the end we can take this guy, right? So we have to this one, we can make it into a list, right? To list. And then this one we can, so we get all the things. So this one correspond to these importances. So now maybe I'm gonna take this and call them as our columns, maybe, right? And then we can pair them with the importance value, the importance here, which is same as this list. So we can pair, say we'll take importance, and we'll also take the columns, right? We can pair them, and you can zip them, and maybe make it into a list. So we get, but this is a little messed up, it's all over the place. So we can sort it, right? And so this is, you can see that medium income is the highest one dependence. So this immediately tells that not all of the categorical attributes that we consider is important, so we can check them, right? We can remove them and redo it. So, and before we finally do the so this is fine, before finally we test or evaluate on our train set, which we will do in our next discussion. And thank you very much for watching.